In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add funds to your wallet on Epic Games. Adding funds to your Epic Games wallet allows you to keep a balance that you can use for purchases on the Epic Games Store. This can make buying games, in-game items, and other content more convenient because you can add money to your account ahead of time and use it whenever you need it. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer and go to the Epic Games website. Once the website is open, log into your Epic Games account using your account details. After you successfully sign in, you will be taken to your Epic Games account page. Next, look at the upper right corner of the screen. You will see your profile icon. Click on your profile icon to open the account menu, then select the account option. This will take you to the settings page where you can manage different options related to your Epic Games account. Once you are on the account page, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Find the Payment Settings section and click on it. This area contains the payment options and wallet settings connected to your Epic Games account. Inside the Payment Settings page, look for the option called Add Funds to Wallet. If this option is available for your country, you can select it and continue with adding funds to your wallet balance. However, depending on the country connected to your Epic Games account, this feature may not be available. If you see a message saying that adding funds to your balance is not available in your country, it means the wallet funding option is currently unavailable for your account location. If the option is available, you can choose the payment method you want to use. Epic Games may allow different payment methods depending on your region, including PayPal, debit cards, or credit cards. Select your preferred payment method and follow the instructions provided to complete the process. Keep in mind that payment options and wallet availability can vary depending on your location and account settings. If you do not see the option to add funds, you may need to use another available payment method when making purchases directly through the Epic Games Store. And that's how you can add funds to your wallet on Epic Games. By following these steps, you can quickly check whether wallet funding is available for your account and choose an available payment option if supported in your region. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,